whatever.
Welcome to the Metal Finisher in our new Tip of the Week series, okay? Since Sean is too busy, we had to do an animation, okay?
Okay. Want to hear a joke?
Okay.
Okay. What do sandblasters and prostitutes have in common?
What?
They both get paid for a good finish.
Oh, very funny. Well, that's enough of the jokes, Sean, okay? Because it's time for the Tip of the Week, brought to you by the Mobile Blaster. Tip number 1, keep your blast nozzle at a 45 to 60 degree angle in the direction you are moving when blasting. This will help clean more efficiently and keep you moving, okay?
Oh, whatever. Get out there and blast.
Well, that's it for today. Be sure to join us at Demo Day, May 2nd, okay? I'll see y'all next time, okay?